name is Andrew Kubenk and I'm a Director of WiZDOM. I'm coming to you today because, well, we're expanding. The truth is that we need great professionals to join our already fantastic team. So I want to tell you a little bit about WiZDOM and what we're about, talk about the role and who are we actually looking for. So let me start with WiZDOM. WiZDOM is a full financial services business. We cover accounting, financial planning and mortgage broking right across Australia. Now, we describe ourselves as a whole of life, advice-based and strategic-based brokerage business. So what does that actually mean? Well, what it means is that we are not so much about the transaction. Instead, we want to get a really good understanding of what our clients look like, what their futures want to look like, and how we're going to connect those two dots. How we're going to create that financial journey for them and make sure that all of our lending and all of our investment decisions support that. So what does that mean for our clients? Well, the truth is with our clients, they're not the simplest of clients. Because we're not so much about the transaction, most of our clients either are involved in property investment or they want to be involved in property investment and looking for the support in that. So it does mean that most of our clients are that little bit more complicated. Some of them have quite large investment portfolios, but it also creates a great opportunity-rich environment to be successful in as well. Now, we are lucky enough to have great national referral partners as well. So the truth is the opportunity keeps coming. And when you do a great job with clients and you look after them whole of life, well, the truth, the capacity runs out relatively quickly, and that's why we're looking to add to our professional team. Now, we're also really blessed in the sense that we've been really well recognized across the industry. Despite the fact that as a business, we're still quite young, we are lucky enough to have a spot in the top 25 brokerages from across Australia and won a number of other awards as well. But that isn't about what the leadership team is doing. It's absolutely about the fantastic team that we have and the great work that they do on a daily basis. And we're certainly hoping that you will be part of that as well. Now, the last thing I guess I'd like to talk about with regard to WiZDOM is about our proprietary software. So 3 years ago, we started a journey where we created proprietary software to add value to our professionals, but to our clients as well. So we have created a system that acts as a two-way interaction with our clients to make a sometimes complicated financial situation really straightforward and simple for them. They get a huge amount of value out of that, and the advantage for all of our professionals is it helps streamline the lending process on our side of the fence. Now, that's something that we've invested heavily in, and it's absolutely something that we will continue to invest in the future to deliver more and more value to our clients and more efficiency to our professionals, and we look forward to that. So let's talk a little bit about the role. Well, the role is success-based. So it is commission-based, but we know that we are really generous with our commissions. The truth is that without your success, we can't be successful. And so we have a firm belief that we love to engage in success together. You're successful, we're successful, everybody wins. Now, most of our professionals also work from home. It doesn't mean that you have to, but the truth is our clients kind of expect it. So they have all been pretty well trained with regard to not necessarily coming to an office and having a sit-down meeting with a professional, but instead using technology, email, Zoom and other things to be able to drive efficiency for them and for ourselves as well. And so the great thing about that is it means that you can be super successful from the comfort and flexibility of your own home. Now, I don't think that's going to change in the near future. In actual fact, I think that we're probably going to expand on that and use new technologies as they emerge and other things to, again, make you as efficient as possible, which can help then drive you to be as successful as possible. So who are we looking for? Well, there's really two types of professionals that we think fit and become super successful inside of our business. The first is an existing broker, you who knows that you're great at what you do, but you just don't get to see enough opportunity. We absolutely believe that with your success and experience, coupled with the opportunity that we can provide for you, it can be a great marriage with great success for both sides. So if you're an experienced broker, someone with a good 2-3 years in the industry, you know you're great at this, but you just don't get to see enough business, please reach out to us, please have a conversation because you may be a great fit for us. Now, the other side or the other person that we think is a great fit for our business is the ex-business banker or the current business banker inside of a bank. The truth is, for the right people, if you were ever thinking about stepping outside of a bank and making the jump across into broking, well, we will be a great fit for you as well. A lot of our professionals spent time in business banking in the banks and then made the jump to broking, and with our support and again with the opportunity and your understanding of that more complex client, the company and trust lending that happens more often inside of business banking, we find that ex-business bankers are really successful in our model really quickly as well. So if you're either an existing broker or you're a business banker who's looking to make the jump to broking or has recently made the jump out to broking but needs more support, needs more business, well, please reach out to us. We very much look forward to talking to you soon. And again, I'd just like to say thank you for your attention. Thanks for watching this video. And I'm very, very excited about talking to you in the near future. Thanks.